talking about Indian films again, sir, we have some cult comedies like Jaane Bhi Do Yaaro. And when people talk about it, they said a whole lot of theatre people came together and NSD people came together and made this film, which they thought wouldn't work but became a cult classic.
Cult classic, yes.
Now, how come this sort of thing happens when you have corporate filmmaking now and you have a planned budget and very well documented, quality oriented storylines, etc.
No, but the stories are still children's stories. The one I liked very much, which I thought might catch on, was New York, which was about how a Muslim guy who's treated badly in America turns into a terrorist. A very interesting film, very interesting. But most of our other films are they're childish stories. They're little, there's no, and we Indians enjoy sentimentality, not sentiment, but sentimentality. Lots of tears and dard ki kahani, and everything has to be exaggerated. Even our acting style, except for Amitabh and maybe Nasiruddin Shah, all our other actors are hammy, very hammy compared to people in Europe or America. There's always we as Indians, basically, by the way, and I, in theatre, and I've studied the Indian character. We tend to act not only with our voices, but with our whole face. When I say something, say in English, you're a damn fool. Say, you're a damn fool. But in Hindi, I say, Are tu pagal hai?
Right.
Right? So that exaggerated style, which Indians have naturally, goes into our films. So we don't think it's for hamming. But my mother used to say that to me, exactly with the same gesture. But there they find it too big for the cinema.
Okay. So
and comes across as I said, hammy and overacting.
Right.
Yeah.
Coming back to brands then, sir.
Yeah.
You were part of the campaign. In fact, you made this whole surf thing happen with the Lalita.
Lalita ji, yeah.
And with Liril, when it came
Liril
to
was
jingle.
one of the ones that I thought could go international. It was Hindustan Lever that was reluctant. They didn't have a Liril anywhere in the world. We invented Liril here. We invented the girl in the waterfall. We invented the whole thing, and I told them, take it abroad. This film this brand will work abroad. It's got an unusual name, Liril, and it's to do with freshness, which everyone, whether you're an American or a European or a Mexican or whoever, it'll work. But they kept on saying yes and no and yes and no. Finally, they didn't. And then I said the next one that I was involved with was Fair and Lovely, which they did take abroad and which has been a big success, certainly in all the Asian countries and in Africa. Obviously, it's not going to be a great hit in Europe where they want to tan, and in America again where they have no problem for fairness. Yeah.
I'll put that same question to you in advertising, sir. When it comes to Indian ads winning abroad, you might have the one-off ad or so. Though people do say that now in recent times you had better campaigns. And
no, we have definitely had better campaigns. Our best advertising can win awards at Cannes, as they have. I won an award, an international award at the Clio, but that was on public service. It wasn't on a brand. To be a brand and win an award in advertising, I will say is pretty tough, pretty damn tough. And Liril almost won an award, but just missed in the Cannes Film Festival, and I'm going back many years.
Right.
So we are, but I'd say our advertising product, if you see American TV, our advertising product is much more creative and much less hard sell than American TV. American TV is all the time, price off, you can, with this we'll give you that, and buy our product, it'll solve your problems, and Really, American advertising is very, very hard-hitting. In fact, you might say skull-breaking.
Okay.
And unlike, say, English advertising, which is very sophisticated, very humorous, there they treat advertising as an art.
Right.
And certainly some of our advertisers are doing very well in that. Take the Zuzu case,
Okay,
for Vodafone.
Right.
Brilliant campaign, brilliant. It would work anywhere in the world, anywhere. Because it's all mind, there's no dialogue.
Right.
It's all silent.